Now, I would like you all to come up and speak. I would like your videos to be on so that I can see all of you. And the audio, you can speak now one by one. I would like to hear from you what you felt about this class and whatever has been your experience with Alpha so far. It will be a good thing to listen to hear from you. So please, those who would, the person who is talking, you can unmute the audio, and then the others can still remain on mute. Then after one person finishes, the next person can talk. So one by one, you can unmute and speak. That will be great. We can listen. So who's going to speak first?
I'm waiting for this class for the past 2, 3, 4 years. I was trying to
Who's
attend, but
speaking?
I was not
Darren.
able to attend it. Dharani, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, yes.
Not able to attend the class at all. But
Okay.
this was a gift, and during a holiday, I was really able to attend it, and I feel very good about it.
Very good, very good, excellent. See, psychic energy class is like that. Many people have told me even to attend this class, there are a lot of hurdles. That's how it is. Thank you very much.
Last 4 years, I was trying to attend, but the time was not at all matching. Today, I feel.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Okay, very good, excellent. Thank you so much.
My name is Manish.
Yes,
I'm from
Manish.
Delhi. And this is the third class I'm doing it. One class I did it when you did it in Delhi last year.
Okay,
Then I did Alpha Basic online, and this is the third class I'm attending.
okay,
Psychic energy, this is something which has been affecting me for a long time, and I
okay.
felt that. And this also decision, I took it at the very last moment. So just kind of did it in the morning, and I've been contemplating, but I guess the positive side
Yeah.
come to me. The meditation was really blissful. It is
Okay.
really so. I'm sure that some of the things that I'm trying to do would really help me out.
Good,
Thank
very
you
good,
much.
very good. Thank you so very much. Please continue to practice the meditation. Definitely you will see a lot of changes. Whatever I spoke here, everything works. Okay, right. Thank you.
I'm Seema. I'm from Pune.
Okay,
But
Seema.
now, because of coronavirus, I've been stuck in Dubai to my daughter's place.
Okay.
I was very happy for you to see or you on online. I have heard too much about you from my daughter.
Okay.
She has done the session from you in
Okay.
Dubai. So I was very glad. My husband is always a negative thinking person, so I want him to be a positive one. So thank you very much. I would like to join you as a live session when I go back to Pune. I will surely contact you for that.
Okay, sure. Thank you so very much. Good. I'm really glad you were able to join us from there, from Dubai.
Yes, my pleasure.
Good, very good.
This is Shanti Manimaran Guruji.
Okay, Shanti, yes.
Yeah, Guruji, I was so happy seeing you again. This class I've been waiting for so long a time. Coimbatore, I don't think now it will be possible. So
Yeah.
I'm coming to my hometown, and it's a great experience seeing you online. And there's so many changes, Guruji. I've written to you a mail also recently. I need your blessings to continue this meditation forever.
Please do it regularly. My blessings, definitely. Please do it regularly.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yes, namaste.
Hello. Actually, I wanted to say so much, but once I finished with the meditation, I'm kind of speechless. Nothing I have to say.
Okay.
Feel quite
blessed.
I feel very much,
Okay.
fine.
You are now
just quiet. I feel wonderfully at peace. I'm not able to say anything. Like
Okay.
all my things I feel like saying, I don't feel like. I just feel like I always feel happy when I see you. I've always felt positive, so I feel the same. That's all. I've had a lot to say, but I don't have. I feel very good at the end.
You are speaking from where, Anisha? Namrata, yeah.
I'm speaking from US, Austin, Texas.
Okay, so midnight, 2:30 you said, no?
Yeah, if you remember, I had come to Chennai that time. My flight was late when it went to Coimbatore.
Yes. I remember. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Good. I'm so glad you were able to join us from. I think this lockdown and this had its own positive side, because otherwise I wouldn't have done an
Absolutely.
online class like this, and people like you could not connect also. So I think
Exactly.
it's a wonderful thing that's happening. Wonderful. I'm
Yeah,
so happy,
absolutely.
really. Good.
I'm also very happy.
Thank
And
you
this
so
is
much.
what I needed, and I knew that I got it at the right time. Thank
Good,
you.
good, good.
I'm very
Meditate
happy.
regularly. Please listen. We are sending you the MP3 in your app, so please listen to it every day. Good.
Guruji,
Gunjan, yes. Come.
it's such a beautiful feeling to just see you.
I am also happy. All the way from Bali, you're talking to us.
Yes. Guruji, I understood everything about the other meditation that we did with the chakra,
Okay.
but I couldn't understand the hill meditation. I want to imply it for my son who is going to be 11 years in June.
Okay.
But he is hearing your music every day in the night, the alpha music that you personally made.
Okay.
But Guruji, he is not still able to focus, and also he does not listen anything that I say, and that is creating. And now because he is not going to school, so
Oh,
he is
yeah.
there from morning till evening in the house and not wanting to listen or do any of his homework or online
Okay.
class. So I am a little bit of in a fix, Guruji. Please tell me, how do I come out of it? How do I use this hill meditation for him?
You can do it, Gunjan. You can take him up the hill, send him away, and wait there. Make him come back as a changed person. You know, little bit obedient, listening, all the whatever you want, and bring him back smiling with you. That way, he will change. See, don't worry.
Okay.
These are all difficult times. You know, even many adults are behaving in very. So
Yeah.
just let it go. Let some more time pass, and slowly he will come into his routine. But make him listen to that music every night. That
Yes,
will
he
have
is
its
doing
own
that
effect.
every day.
See,
He's doing it every day.
See, with
Every day.
children of his age, what happens is they have a lot of distractions, because I keep seeing it with many children here, including the video games, this and that, and they don't feel like listening to us when you keep telling them. So talk to his subconscious mind. That will help better than when you tell him directly. Do not tell them much directly. Talk to their subconscious mind. And this kind of music therapy, these indirect methods will work more with especially at that age, you know, at 11, just on the threshold of their teenage. And nowadays children, you know, they're very difficult to manage, so you have to be very tactful. Namaste, who is it?
Vinita Tiwari from Delhi.
Yes, Binita, how are you?
फाइन दीदी दीदी अभी मेरी मदर इन लॉ जो है वो मुझको बहुत ज्यादा कर्ज कर रही हैं और बहुत ज्यादा मतलब इवन वो मेरे को ये कहते हैं तुम घर से चली जाओ एंड मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ अगर मैं हंस के बात भी करती हूँ तो उनको बहुत बुरा लगता है तो ऐसे स्थिति में मैं क्या करूँ
आप ये हिल मेडिटेशन जो हमने अभी बताया वो रोज कर लीजिए उनके लिए
जी
ठीक है रोज कर लीजिए ठीक हो जाएंगे तो थोड़ा तो चेंज जरूर दिखाई देगा आपको आप कीजिए वो रोज एवरी डे
राइट और हस्बैंड जो है उनको भी अभी ये स्पेस चाहिए करके कहते हैं वो तो उनको हालांकि वो अभी मैं अभी थोड़ा टाइम के लिए मम्मी के घर में आ जाती हूँ तो अपने आप को काफी पॉजिटिव फील करती हूँ और वापस एनर्जाइज फील करती हूँ वहां जाती हूँ तो फिर वैसा ही हो जाता है सब चीजें
नहीं आपको जो भी अल्फा में आपने सीखा है ना वो सब आपको इस्तेमाल करना है यही इम्पोर्टेंट है जो भी सीखा है वो भूल नहीं जाना आप सिंपल बेसिक अल्फा जो है ना वो उसमें कलर्स उनको देना और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में आपको थोड़ा बात करना पड़ेगा मे बी इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ देम यू फील अनॉयड दैट इज व्हाई दिस हिल मेडिटेशन हेल्प्स सी अल्फा
ये सब कर करके ही सर्वाइव अभी तक करी हूं
वो तो है अभी तो आप हिल मेडिटेशन कर लीजिए ना देखेंगे कैसा
राइट
लेट मी नो प्लीज राइट अ मेल
बिल्कुल
okay okay
thank you
right
hi hello Guruji I'm from Delhi Shruti
okay
so this is a very blessing in disguise for me to attend psychic energy class
okay.
and I have been wondering I have to attend this class I wanted to attend this class and when this lockdown came I was little worried now this is going to not happen for next 1 year that
okay.
social gathering so how this could happen so I was just visualized online classes and all
really so now really, I know how why this is happening now I know good
So I am very happy that I could see every weekend or every now and then we are attending this
Okay.
online class, and I'm very happy that this thing has happened. So
Good, good.
some of the issues are there, but now I got some strong feeling, also good positive feeling that I will do this meditations and get back my life in routine.
Very good,
So
very good.
thank you,
Excellent.
Guruji.
Please practice everything that I taught it. Everything works. Please do it. Okay. Wonderful.
Ma'am,
Thank you so much. Yes.
ma'am, good afternoon. I am Velammal from Anna Nagar.
Solunga.
Just,
Yes.
madam, first time I attend this class. The
Okay.
class is very nice.
Okay.
I need your blessings for my
My
family.
blessings are always there. Yes. All the best.
Thank you. My
Okay.
heartful thanks
Thank you
for
so
me,
much.
ma'am.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
I do
Thanks
all
for
for
joining.
basic level,
Hmm.
but sometimes some disturbance I have, ma'am. What can I do?
See, today, whatever you learned, try to implement, because
Okay.
see, the base is energy. We must understand that even though we know the meditations, if you're not able to sit and do it properly, if the mind is restless, then it
Okay.
simply means the energy of the place or
Okay.
your own energy, both are affected. That's what it means. So whatever points I told you, it will be there in the PDF, how to increase the energy of a place, how to increase your positive energy. Please follow everything. If you
Okay,
follow and listen to this meditation every day, and if you can do pranayamam before this meditation, this is for everybody. Please do. See, in this online class, already our class is so long. So to sit
Okay.
online and do, it's very long. So I had to cut off certain things. Otherwise, pranayamam is also generally in the other workshops I used to do it. So do pranayamam and then do this meditation. You'll feel absolutely very good after that. So energy will change definitely.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Lavanya from Bangalore.
Yes, yes.
I have attended your couple of other classes also, and this class was really fantastic. A last minute decision for me, but I'm glad I took it.
Okay.
I want to know, when will you do the Kundalini? Will that also be online, or should it be face to face?
Kundalini, I think online is a bit difficult because that requires a lot of energy. So I am also starting on this online journey only now. So let me do some of the other classes. And see, Kundalini and Sri Vidya, I'm a little skeptic about doing online because it's it's a very high energy. But maybe later on, once we really become comfortable with this, maybe we can do, because what I am finding now with the last 2 weeks, I did Lakshya Siddhi 3 classes, and today is the 4th class. Initially I was very skeptic about doing a class online, but what I found is that the connect is actually even more here than the other class, because there I could never see people like you know, close by talking like this, and not with so many people. Very few people used to speak. I used to do the class from the stage and come away. But here I am able to really see you all, you know, one by one. When you speak, it really makes me very happy. So that way I am feeling that online class can also be very, very powerful. So once I am convinced about it, then only I will think about Kundalini or Sri Vidya. These 2 classes I'm keeping aside right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Right. Anybody else?
Ma'am, Malti, I'm calling from Delhi, ma'am.
Yes, Malti. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. I actually, the psychic energy class, because I've been attending all the classes, I used to see the workshop schedule, but my dates never used to suit. It has been like that for every time. And this was like, last week when I attended the Lakshya Siddhi class, and that's where I mentioned also. And then next day when I'm getting the information about it, I felt so happy that I could really attend this. And a lot of the things what I had been facing, those problems about identifying why it's not happening. For example, in my professional itself, lots of proposals for new projects we used to submit. Everything I used to get. But final stage, it never used to get it done. It used to get disapproved or rejected at the last minute. I wasn't really able to understand why we are putting so much of energy, so much of efforts. It's all going negative. But today I was able to understand it's not only within us, even external factors and those negativities that.
Yes.
I mean, it's really, really helpful, ma'am, for me to really understand and assess that. I think I'll have to see now how I can really address
No,
that.
it will work. Use the lemon technique, hill meditation, everything that I have spoken here, everything works 100%. So please
Is it
use
for
them.
this project professionals thing
Yes, yes,
also
yes,
it works?
definitely. You know, you can use lemon for that. See, when you use lemon for yourself, automatically things will start improving. And when it comes to a project, there are so many
Right.
people involved. So if you
Yes.
feel somebody is a hurdle there, you can use the hill meditation. You know,
Okay.
that way you can bring in all these techniques and start using them.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
all
I'm
the best,
so
all the best. Yeah, anybody?
Namaste, Guruji.
Yes,
I'm Rajlakshmi from Cochin.
yes.
Really feeling blessed to be
Okay.
part of this meditation and this program, Psychic Energy. Actually, I had booked for the Bangalore session, but it got postponed. And so I was wondering when will I be able to do it again. And so when it was announced that it is going to be conducted online, I was extremely happy and really feel blessed that okay, I could understand what are the psychic attacks which I'm having and why at times I'm not able to do the meditation, and also really thankful to you and the Alpha Mind Power and to the universe. Thank you very much,
Thank you so
Guruji.
much for being here. Wonderful, wonderful. Excellent.
Namaste, Guruji. This is
Namaste.
Srikanth from Hyderabad.
Yes, Srikanth. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I heard about this Alpha Mind Power last month from my well-wisher.
Okay.
After that, I have going through this meditation sessions. I'm really enjoying these sessions,
Okay, good. Very good.
and I would continue doing these meditations daily.
Good. Very good. Please do it regularly. You'll see a lot of changes in life. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Okay. Good.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah. Yes.
Namaste, I'm Devi from Bangalore.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I've done a basic level of 1, 2, 3 and chakra meditation, everything. I'm practicing chakra meditation regularly. But what I'm very much afraid is if I remove negative energy from others, it will come on me. For example, in the month of January, my son had a dog bite. So I was removing negative energy from him. And in the month of February, I was not able to walk. How much ever meditation I did, it did not help me. Finally, I went to the temple and that priest removed all the negative energy with the lime. Then after slowly I picked up. So what do I do?
No, but how did you remove the negative energy? What method did you use?
I was creating energy ball, collect all negative energy in it and send it to the universe.
See, before doing that, you should always go into a deep level of alpha, proper alpha, and then do. If you do it like that, if you are in alpha, you start receiving positive energy. Then if you work on somebody else's energy, it doesn't affect you. But without getting into alpha, when you do, sometimes that could be the only reason. But otherwise, what I suggest is now you can just keep the lemon for him. If at all you have to do, use this lemon technique. This is simple. It will not affect you. Very easily you can do. So don't worry about that.
And this talking to the subconscious level and changing, like my sons know, I talk to their subconscious mind. Few days they'll change again back to same.
That is because of the external influences. So then you have to continue your efforts. That's the only way. See, changing ourselves is much easier than changing somebody else. But when you work on somebody else like that, it requires a little more effort because they have their own set of thought forms. So their way of their belief system, everything could be different. So that is why you have to continue the efforts. Okay. Now do hill meditation. If you do hill meditation, I think the effect will be better. Okay. Right. Thank you. Anybody else?
Hello, Guruji. Once again, this is Shanti Manimaran.
Yes.
I have got a doubt, Guruji. Like you know, I have already written mails to you regarding my husband's illness and habits. Can I shower often colors on him to make him a little more, what do you call, to accept what I say and things like that? Because sometimes it's really difficult for me to handle him.
Okay. Now I would suggest that after this class, at least for 1 week, you do hill meditation for him.
Okay, ma'am.
But bring him back if you want. Send him and then bring him back as a changed person. Then
Okay.
shower colors, talk to him, and I think you will see the difference.
Okay, ma'am. Can I order a music therapy for him? Because
that will
I
be
don't know whether he will listen. That is my thing, because
See,
sometimes
for
he's
such
very-
people, what I recommend is, even when somebody asks for music therapy for their husband or wife who is not willing to take a therapy, then what
Okay.
I say is, I will prepare it without any instructions.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you can just play it in the night as if it is for you. So he will also listen to it. And it is
Okay.
only going to remove the ego, remove the anger, whatever is negative in the person's mind. So that way it will work on his mind. But you have to mention specifically that this is for so and so, these are the requirements, and without instructions. So there will be no instructions telling him to relax and all that. It will be simply soft music which you can play.
Okay.
That way you can please write to my office, and I will prepare it for you, not a problem.
Okay, okay, Guruji, thank you.
Right, thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah, so I
This
was
is
actually
Divya.
This is Divya. Yeah.
From where?
From Chennai.
Chennai. Okay, come
Yeah. Okay. So I was actually googling about how to increase our positive energy around the house, because I messaged you about this waking up daily between 2:30 to 4 o'clock, and I sleep at around 11 o'clock. And I'm usually a very good sleeper. Like I sleep for around 9 to 10 hours, and still it's not sufficient for me. So daily me getting up by like in the middle of the night, like 2:30 to 4, even I have the thought, okay, like it's a good time, let me meditate. But then I'm not completely awake. It's like somebody came and woke me up, that kind of feeling. But then there's no disturbance. So I always used to Google about, okay, how do I remove this energy out of me? And today the class was very good. And I'll try the lemon therapy also. Yeah,
You can
thank
do
you.
that. Yeah, I think it will give you relief. You can try that.
Can I just use the level 1 music? Like, I mean, for me to
Yeah.
get into alpha.
Yeah,
and,
that you can do.
yeah.
Definitely you can do that. Yeah.
Okay,
In
yeah,
fact,
thank
even
you.
after today's psychic energy meditation is over, you can continue with the hill meditation.
Okay, yeah, thank you, thank you.
Okay, right, all right.
Shall I ask a few clarifications regarding hill meditation?
Yes.
Okay. How long we should do it? That is, for example, if it is for one person, should we do it for 1 week and then stop it? And
Yeah, even 1 week is sometimes too much. Even if you do it for 3 days, you will see a change in that person, and then you can just leave it for some time. And then again, if you feel that some more improvement is required, you do it for another 3 days. Only if the problem is too much, unbearable, then you do it for 1 week or 10 days. So it depends on the particular situation. According to that, you can change. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Guruji.
Okay, ma. All the best. Yeah.
Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
I'm Latika from Dubai.
Ah, yes, yes.
I have attended Anubandham and everything.
Yeah, I
in
remember.
Dubai.
Ah.
Yeah, I was waiting for the psychic energy class, because usually I used to do in India when I come there. So I was waiting for it. I was even meditating to get online classes also after this
Wonderful.
lecture.
So I think many people have been meditating for online classes, and that's why it's happening. Good, good.
Yeah, hope other classes like Mantra Shakti also will be there, right?
We will see,
Online?
because Mantra Shakti is a question mark, because I have discontinued that class even in the direct workshops. And on online class, it will be difficult, because I must know whether the others are chanting. All that is there. So we will see later on, if possible. But I hope you enjoyed today's
Yeah, today's class was very good.
Okay, right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Yes, Srividya, yes.
நிறைய கிளாஸஸ் உங்களோட அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் மேம்.
Okay.
ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் பத்தி ரொம்ப ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா சொல்லணும். அதாவது ஹால்ல வந்து நீங்க ஒரு சின்ன உருவமா இருப்பீங்க, எங்க போனுக்குள்ள நீங்க இருக்கீங்களா? So it's literally one-on-one with you. That is why we were actually recommended to take this particular online class. இல்லன்னா நாங்க ரெகுலரா we would have waited for a proper class, a real class, but this was a fantastic experience.
Wonderful.
எனக்கு ஒரு 2 டவுட் இருக்கு மேம். எனக்கு ஒண்ணு வந்து ஃபியர்ஸ் பத்தி நான் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன். இந்த ஹில்லுல இருந்து உருட்டி விடக்கூடிய ஒரே ஆள் நானா தான் இருப்பேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நானே தான் என்னதான் உருட்டிக்கணும். நான் இந்த என் பையனை வெளியில அமிச்சேன். ஒரு ஈவினிங் ஹி கோஸ் அவுட் ஃபார் அ லெஜிட்டிமேட் ஒரு முக்கியமான வேலையா போறான், இல்ல ஒரு பேண்ட் கான்சர்ட்காக போறான், பாக்குறதுக்கு போறான், கேக்குறதுக்கு. அவன் திரும்பி வர்றதுக்குள்ள I am not able to relax at all and go to sleep, even though he comes in late, which is logical because the concerts get over quite late and then he hangs around with his friends and comes back. But by the time I create so much of negative visuals in me, அதாவது வழியில ஆக்சிடென்ட் ஆயிடுமோ ஏதாவது ஆயிடுமோ இப்படி போன் வருமோ அப்படி வருமோலாம் நிறைய பயந்து 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 ஒரு மாதிரி திடுக்கிட்டு தான் நான் என் தூக்கத்துல இருந்து எழுந்துக்கிறேன். So I keep checking on him. It's a bit of a nuisance. I feel at one point பசங்க வளர்ந்துடுறாங்க, we have to let them go, they have to live their own life அப்படின்னு தோணுது. லாஜிக் ஒத்துக்குது, ஆனா அந்த புத்தி வந்து கொஞ்சம் சரியா வேலை செய்ய மாட்டேங்குது.
ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல ஸ்ரீவித்யா, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சிம்பிள் சொல்யூஷன் சொல்றேன். பேட்ச் ஃப்ளவர் ரெமெடிஸ் நீங்க கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கலாம், மலர் மருந்துங்கிறது. இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் ப்ராப்ளம்க்கு there is a combination. Okay. So please, you're in, where are you? Chennai.
Chennai தான்.
Please contact my office and tell them about your problem. I'll prepare a combination for you in the form of pills. So if you take that, in the too much of worry about your near and dear ones will also come down. Then you will feel much better. Other, you can do that. Okay. All right.
Thank you, ma'am. One more doubt. Supposing I want to, improve the situation in my sister's family. Her son has a bit of a problem where he is studying. He is in medical college, so he is not able to graduate and go to the next years. So he is kind of stagnant in his studies. Obesity, he's developed obesity. A lot of changes in him. So I want to. It is not really that that is affecting me in any way. It is just that I'm really disturbed. I feel bad. So is there any way I can use this lemon therapy to improve situations in their house?
Yes, you can do hill meditation for him first of all. And then lemon therapy, yes, you can keep the lemons to remove the negativity from him. And then you have to combine it with showering colors on him, talking to his subconscious mind. Do everything together for a person. Only then they will change. So you can combine.
Lemon therapy, sorry to interrupt, lemon therapy can be done at my house?
Yes, you can keep it in your house for him. You can include him in, when you keep it for your family, you can include him also. One more lemon for him, you can.
For him. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for this beautiful experience.
Wonderful. Yes.
Ma'am, I've got one doubt.
Yeah.
Now, like when we start talking about something like not too much emotional, but just like when I start talking about something, some incident, something like when tears comes out, so is that negative energy like very easily getting emotional and crying? Is that negative energy, or I am not strong?
Yeah, you are not strong, that's all. So you have to become a little stronger, and you can do that by practicing these meditations. Generally you will reach that stage where you can talk about anything without getting upset or without bringing tears. Definitely you can do that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes.
Satya, I'm from Chennai, ma'am.
Chennai, okay.
I have some doubts, ma'am, regarding pendulum.
Okay.
When we are using pendulum, we can use for objects and persons, no, ma'am?
Yes.
For persons, how we can use it? By thinking about them, or
by thinking about them? Yes, you can think about them. It is to measure the energy of a person. So I showed you the index when we did the class. You remember I was showing you this index. This index will be there in the PDF. So you can keep that index and measure the energy of that person. So for that you can use. And for objects, whether the energy is positive or negative, if you hold it above any object, the pendulum will automatically start rotating. It will show you the energy of the object.
Can we use photographs instead of thinking about that person?
You can, but there is no need, actually speaking. You can only think of that person, that is enough. It will show. Okay.
In my office, I'm having some friends, can say colleagues. I want to know whether they are true to me, or really they want good in me. So can I use that?
See, that is a very vague question to ask the pendulum. See, if you want to measure the energy of a person, whether the energy is good and positive or whether it is negative and low, that you can find out. But how that person is interacting with you, I don't think you can decide with the pendulum. As I said earlier, taking decisions and this kind of thought, which you said just now, you cannot decide with the pendulum. That you will have to meditate. You meditate, go into a deep level of alpha and think of that person. Ask your subconscious, ask the universe, is this person behaving truly with me? Can I trust this person? Those questions you can only ask your subconscious mind. Then you will get a better answer. See, you can't depend on the pendulum for such questions. Okay, you should be very careful about that.
And and I like to that we are doing that rotating our chakras, no, while we're doing our hill meditation. It
Yeah.
was very awesome. Actually, I was feeling very light.
Okay.
I get into myself, from inner self. I have traveled into inner self. That was very happy.
Okay, good.
Thank
Very good.
you.
Enjoy the meditation. As you do it every day, you will really start enjoying this psychic energy meditation. And every time it removes a lot of negativity. So keep doing it. Okay?
And one more thing, we are cutting out the negativities which is coming into our aura. That was also a wonderful experience, ma'am.
Okay.
I have visualized that I'm only having the positive aura, which is in golden color.
Yes.
It was very nice, ma'am.
It
Thank
will
you for
help
that.
a lot. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
Namaste Guruji. This is
Namaste.
Kavita from Chennai, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
I was actually very doubtful about this online class, whether to take it or not. But it was really very nice, ma'am. Just
Okay.
like a usual live class, this was like that. The
Okay.
energy level was very high. I
Okay.
have a small question, ma'am.
Yeah.
My husband keeps cursing my son all the time. Most of the time he does that.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know. I feel he also feels bad about it. I also feel bad about it.
Okay.
So what should I do, ma'am?
See, you have to make a conscious decision not to curse your son. See, all said and done, our children may be making mistakes, children may be doing so many wrong things. But whatever words come from parents, it has a very big impact on the child. There is no doubt about it. Always we say, see, unless your parents wish you well, you can never prosper in life. This we always say in Tamil.
True.
So you need to get good wishes from your parents. So that is very important. So as a parent, you must make sure that every thought and word about your children is only positive. Please explain this to your husband. Please
Ma'am,
explain.
is there a way to protect my son from his curse, ma'am? Actually, I don't know whether he'll listen to whatever I'm saying because he doesn't believe in meditation, anything.
No. See, you don't need any meditation for this. This is only about what you're speaking. And please tell your husband that every word that comes out from our mouth is only an expression of our thought. So when we curse with our mouth, we cannot be having good thoughts for that person. It's not possible. It's a very big conflict and it cannot exist. So if you're cursing your son, then you're not wishing him well. So you just ask your husband one question. Do you want our son to be a successful human being? So once you decide that, yes, I want my son to live happily, I want him to be successful, then you speak only that. You have to be a little more strong when you talk to your husband. There's no other way. You have to tell him, see, we are creating his future. Whatever he's doing is there, but we are also part of it. Let us not contribute to making him suffer in life. Let us contribute whatever we can to make the child live a happy life. So our thoughts, our words should never put him down at any point of time. Even if he has made a mistake, even if see, that is what parents are for. Even if the child makes a mistake, you should be able to give him a pat and say, don't worry, there is always a next time, you can do it better, we are there for you. Parents should tell their children, I am there for you, don't worry, whatever happens, do your best. This is how you have to talk. I mean, there are no two opinions about it at all. I can tell you, as a psychologist, as a spiritual counselor, in any way I can tell you, every word that you speak to your child has to be encouraging, has to be really inspiring to that child. We have no excuse for putting down a child. See, scolding a child when the child does something, or even a grown-up adolescent person also, when they do something wrong, you can scold them. That's a different thing. But cursing them and putting them down, there is no excuse at all for that. Please put an end to it.
Ma'am, one more question, ma'am. I actually have done Sri Vidya before, but every day when I'm doing Sri Vidya, around 10-15 days continuously I'm able to do. But after that, I get stuck. I don't know. For 1 week or 10 days, I'm not able to do any meditation at all.
See, it can be only negative energies, but that is why I'm saying, even in our direct classes, many people have asked me that though they have done Sri Vidya, so they say, when we are doing Sri Vidya every day, is it necessary to do psychic energy? Those who have done all the classes have asked me this question. And I have always told them that Sri Vidya can take you to a very high level. But negative energies can pull your feet out. and you will not be able to do the meditation. So negative energy attacks from the, the lower level. So you need to do both. You need to do Sri Vidya to go to a higher level of existence, but you also need to do psychic energy to get rid of negativities so that you can be free to grow. That's very important.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
It was
okay,
a wonderful session.
Thank you very much. All the best. Yeah.
Guruji, one more thing I want to ask Shruti.
Yeah.
Can we do hill meditation for our bad habits also? Like if we have some kind of habit, so can we do it for that that also?
No, you're asking for yourself or somebody else?
No, I'm asking for myself only.
See, for yourself, one is you can talk to your own subconscious mind and get rid of bad habits. Second is you can do psychic energy meditation regularly. Automatically, many things will change, because as I told you earlier, the elementals, you remember I explained about them, they create lot of negative thought patterns in us. So it's not only about alcohol or drugs, it's also about behavior. They can create bad habits also. So when you practice psychic energy meditation and the lemon technique and hill meditation, all that, generally most of your habits, your thoughts will change. So you do this first and see. Then if you still feel you need to do something, then hill meditation, I don't think you can do it for yourself. It's easier to do it only for others. But in that case, if you still feel you need a change within yourself, please get a music therapy. That is the simplest way. Listen to it, and in the subconscious mind, the changes will happen. So many people have got rid of so many bad habits just with the music therapy. So that is one thing which is always there. Keep that as the last resort. You can try all this first. Okay?
Guruji?
Yes?
This is again Shanti Manimaran. Is the courier service open, Guruji, to order the pendulum?
Yeah, please. I wanted to mention that the courier service is open. We have been sending, we have been receiving also. So anybody who's within India, you can order all these products which I told you about. Again, just to remind you, one is the pendulum, then is the yantra, then we have the energy box, the herbal powder, and then Rudraksha Mala if you want. All these items are there. You can order, think about it, how many you want, and make one order so we can send one courier box with everything, right? You can contact our Alpha office, amp@alphamindpower.net. You know the email ID. You can write on that and place your order, and then we'll send you the bank details. You can pay, because through the app, you may not be able to pay for these items. All the items are not there on the app. Energy box is there, herbal powder is there. But if you need the yantra and all, then you make one order and you can remit in the bank. That's not a problem. So after this class, please check your mobile app by this evening. The meditation MP3 will be there and the notes PDF will be there. Beyond that, if you have any other order, you can write a mail. And beyond that, if you have any doubts or questions, please write a mail to me, Guruji@alphamindpower.net. I will reply. Okay.
And one more thing, Guruji, when we are sending the app through like MP3 recording of all these meditations, but when we use our sit for meditations, we use the flight mode actually. So we cannot access the internet to play it. So is there any other option other than this, Guruji? Because
actually,
we have to.
We ourselves came to this decision because there's a lot of copyright issues going on. Many of our meditations, people have just taken them and they've created their own blogs, and even the psychic energy is playing on their blog, which we never give outside. So meditations which were kept only for the classroom also has gone out because of various reasons. So now there has come a stage where we cannot give out meditations like that. We want it to be protected. So inside the app only we can provide. So I hope you will understand. I know it is a little bit difficult, but let us see if we find some other way later on. But right now we are not able to do anything about it.
Okay.
Okay.
And regarding the pendulum, Guruji, like we have to test it, do the meditation, and then again use it to find the difference.
Program the pendulum. The first time you use it, please program it. All the steps are there in the PDF. You can keep that paper, go through it once, and then program the pendulum only once. After that, you can just start using the pendulum, and don't let everyone touch your pendulum, because then the energy changes. It doesn't know who is the boss, to whom should I answer. The pendulum has all these confusions. So keep it only for yourself. That way it is more effective.
And
okay?
how for once in a week, how many days should we feel like using it, Guruji? Like
whenever,
after I'm doing Whenever we want.
Whenever. There's no restriction. Anytime. Yeah. Keep it in a good place with good energy. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Guruji.
So thank you one and all for coming here, joining us from wherever you are in the world. My blessings to each and every one of you. Always live in positive energy. That's the best way to live. Be aware of negative energies. Get rid of them. We have spoken about so many ways and methods. So use everything and come back to me with your feedback. Please write mails to me. Thank you very much. Bye.